Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we are starting bodywork on the E55 clone, tribute, whatever you want to call it. It's a W210 E420 that we're putting E55 AMG parts on because the AMG is totaled. So we're going to start doing bodywork on this. Let me catch up on what we've done so far. Well, you can see I've already got the trunk from the E55 over here. Lines up pretty good. Still got some adjustment left. I haven't bolted it down completely yet because of this, where we need to pull this out. And on this tail panel or quarter panel, you can see it's about an inch in. Should be even with the trunk. So once I get that pulled out and straightened as good as it's going to get and lined up close, then I'll attack making sure that our gaps are good all around and the final alignment. I did have to chop a hole in this trunk for the IR sensor. Don't know if it needed to do that, but yeah, it's done. You can see back seat, package shelf, everything on the roof. Catch up on the inside of what we've done. Yeah. In the brilliant design, the trunk hinges have a bolt up here under the package tray. That bolt is also a concentric bolt, so I can adjust horizontally and vertically the trunk lid. Not much, but a little bit, so it'll give us a little fine tuning. So you got to take all the back seat out, the rear package tray, which has all the headrests on it, which between the two cars, because I took the hinges off of the E55 as well, there are, on the headrest, it has a trim piece right here that fits up on the package tray. Let me see if I can. Yeah, well, this is probably the best example, even though it's broke. Between the two cars, there are 12 of these. I managed to disintegrate 10 of them. I've got some on order, and the two that I saved were actually from the AMG, so I'm going to have to paint those to match. But anyway, I mean, you got to pull these side trim panels, everything off just to get to those bolts for the hinges. Third brake light, of course, you squeeze tabs to slide it off, and as soon as you touch them, they break. So I'm gonna have to find another one of those. Anyway, is what it is. So today we're gonna start right here. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get after it.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always up like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold.
Okay, it's been a couple days. I've been doing some other stuff, but we're back on it. Yesterday I've washed the entire car, cleaned it up, getting it ready to sand, because you don't want to sand a car when it's dirty, because you're just grinding the sand and dirt in there. So anyway, got this dent here, kind of flash rusted, but got that mostly worked. There's going to be body filler there, shocker, but there's going to be body filler on that. There's going to be body filler. I noticed it had I don't know if you can see it right. Yeah, in the light you can kind of see there's a dent right there in the roof. Looks like a hell dent. There's one on the other side. A couple of door dings on each side. That's going to get body fillered. I'm not going to, go too far with it. But anyway, right now what I'm doing, these strips here, they go over the roof. You can see on the roof where there is just the clips remaining. Well, I can show you on this car. That's these pieces right here that go from underneath the windshield all the way back to the back glass. And to get these ready for paint, I'm taking the rubber gasket out of it, because if I painted it with that on there, then the black showing out from the edges on each side would be the body color, and I don't really want that. So I want it to look kind of sort of factory. We're not going all out on this paint job. I've already said, I'm not painting the door jambs. I will take door handles off, take the trim off, paint the mirror cap separate, get the mirrors off. Already took these, I don't even know what those are called, but these, some kind of, I don't know, but anyway, they fit in here. Took these off to get these sanded and ready for paint. See, I'll take the emblem, the bumpers, the chrome off of the bumpers. I'll take the body molding off here, see if I can figure out how to get that chrome strip out so we can paint those easily. Get the side skirts off. Still trying to decide if I can get this out without completely destroying it, the weather stripping here, because when you shut the door you can see the weather strip all the way around it, and I don't want that to be body colored. So I'm gonna see if I can take that out or what I can do about that. But anyway, that's where we are right now. It's just taking pieces off of it, getting it ready to start sanding. Yeah, let's get after it. And updates. Alright, so I've got this thing as far apart as I'm gonna take it. The lights are out, the license plate lights, the emblems are off, got the door handles off, the side molding, that little rubber strip that goes on the bottom of the doors is off. This thing has been fighting me Seems like every time I take something off successfully, something else breaks. So, like, rolled the windows down so I could get on both sides of this trim piece right here, the molding. And when I went to roll the window back up, the regulator exploded. Plastic parts went everywhere, so now I took the door panel off just to see what I was, yeah, you can see here. Yeah, there's part of the regulator. There's pieces down in there. Right now, just got the window held up with a plastic wedge there. So, yay. Did get all the door seals off on all of them. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, whenever I go to paint, I'll put some of that foam. It's foam masking tape. It's kind of in a ball. It'll lay in here and it'll give everything a nice soft edge when you spray paint in here, so it's not going, it won't go all the way into the car. So yeah, we've got the headlights out, got the grill out, the all-important Mercedes emblem. So yeah, she is ready to start sanding. I'm not going to put you guys through that, watching me sand the car, because that would be just as painful as actually sanding the car. So I think I'm gonna call it right here, this episode. Appreciate you guys watching. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it, and we will catch you next time.